Now, guys, you could see the water if you'd like. For real, there is water in here. Cameraman, make the camera focus. Okay. I put more brightness. Okay. See, if you see here, there is water. Now, let me just stop surrounding this stuff. Now, if I'm familiar and I look at the cookbook, we will find the recipe we're making. Right, cousin? And then if we look at this cookbook, we will find the next ingredient, right?
Yes.
Good. Now let's look at this cookbook. I found it.
Yay.
Now, the next ingredient they say is salt. So let's add our salt. Let me just add the salt in the container. Now that we got the salt in there, we just need to pour it in the water.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ah! Half of it spilled. Well, we forgot to bring a spoon, so I guess we're gonna knead it with our hands.
Ugh. Oh, fine.
Ugh. I'm doing all the work here. You're just sitting here guarding me.
Well, I'm doing a lot of work.
You're just guarding me. What you talking about?
No, I'm not.
Just making sure my hands don't dissolve in this.
Well, at least I don't have to deal with it.
Ah. You could say that again. Oh my gosh, my hands is wet. I need to dry it off. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour the salt water back in where the salt was. Now it looks like cake mix. Disclaimer, this is not how you make cake mix. We're just, yeah. And then, we're gonna need to do is get some soap.
What?
Don't do this at home, kids. Now, you are going to need to put the soap and the water, where you put the salt and the water in, and then you knead it with your hands. Well, I do it because you're doing no work, sheep. I mean, cousin. Hear me, cousin? You're doing no work. I have to mix everything. You have nothing to say about that?
Yeah.
My hands. Okay. Now, cousin,
Yeah.
what we're going to do, we're going to pour this into the salt water soap into the cake mix.
Okay, I'm gonna sit back and relax for a little bit.
Oh my god, I already did. Okay. And then we're going to put this in the oven. Oh. 20 minutes later. Okay, now it's been 20 minutes, so we have to take it out of the oven. So then, if we mix this, and we put a little more salt, if we have any more left, then we put. I put a little more salt, And if you need a little bit, slowly, it'll become a little rough. Okay, now it should be getting a little rough. And then you have to put it in the oven.
For 15 minutes.
Yes.
I say you have to put it in the oven for 15 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Meanwhile, so you make the frosting. All you have to do to make the frosting is have hand sanitizer, soap, and water.
And yeah, don't try this at home.
Yes, do not try this at home or else you'll die. Yeah.
It is very dangerous and you're probably gonna die.
Yeah, and actually this doesn't work. And if you think that it's just gonna magically turn into cake in your mouth, it's chemical. You can't eat.
Yeah, keep this out of reach of anybody.
Yeah, you can't drink soap. Well, if you can, you're a superhero. Hooray for you. You can't drink hand sanitizer. If you can, hooray for you. If you can drink salt water, I think everybody can. But just don't try that with all these different combinations. And the little glue things that I put in there, don't try to eat that. I doubt you guys even know what that is, but yeah, just don't try. Meanwhile, back to the thing. So if any salt dropped on the floor, just put a little bit in it. So now, to make the frosting, you put what I just repeated. And you take the cake mix. You take that. And you pour a little bit in gently. You want your cake to have some frosting inside. And then you put the cake mix in the oven for more. A little bit more time. 15 minutes later. Now it's been 20 minutes. Let's go check on our cake. Like what I thought is cake. Now time to put the frosting. Put it on the table. And cousin, you could watch the frosting on it. It's so satisfying. Zoom in, cameraman. Okay. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, I can just zoom this out. No, you better not, or else you won't get that $1,000. Okay.
We should get a new cameraman.
Yeah. So you better don't respect us, or else that $1,000 will go bye-bye.
And you better obey the not optional rules.
Okay, I'll do it. Now get back to your position and pause. Did you pause the camera? Get over here right.
We're back. We got a new cameraman. It's the old cameraman.
No.
Okay. We got a new cameraman and it's the old cameraman's twin.
Hey guys. Now zoom up. Okay. Get back our lighting.
It never works for us.
Yeah. Now our old cameraman got better lighting. I mean, our new cameraman got better lighting. So let's come on. Pour the frosting. There's the sugar at the top. Cut the cake and don't dive into it. Gotta cut the cake. Ugh.
Well, don't just eat the cake in front of me. Give me some.
Oh, right. When I'm done eating this. Now here's your slice of cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I'm gonna eat the rest of the cake. Thank you. Waha.
Give me more.
Nope. I've already ate up the top.
Talk about rude people.
I'm not rude, you're just greedy.
No, I helped make this cake. I deserve more than you gave me.
Well, you didn't make any of this cake. I poured everything. I put everything in the oven. What you talking about?
But I was here, and that's what mattered.
And I was here longer than you because you came in like in 2 minutes in the beginning.
Actually, I was here, and everyone probably enjoyed this video because I was in. So,
Girl, what you talking about? You're ugly.
I helped make this video more than you did.
Well, I got all the ingredients in this bag right here.
Fine.
And you're gonna have to watch me eat this whole cake.
I'd rather die.
Where's the knife?
I was just joking. I'd love to share it.
What? Now, you're gonna watch me eat this whole cake.
Okay.
And there's sugar all over my face. Zoom into my sugar on my face, cameraman. You look disgusting. But you're gonna watch me eat this cake, whether you like it or not.
Hey, you knocked me over.
I don't really care. All I care about is this cake.
Talk about rude people.
I'm not rude. You're just looking for attention.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. And by the way, you're gonna clean up this whole kitchen because it's so messy.
Ugh. I swear, if I could and this was a more free country, I swear I would grab your tongue.
And this is a free country.
It's,
The USA, the land of the free.
I swear if this was more free of a country, I would put soap in your mouth.
Do it. Do
I
it.
said if it was a freer country.
Well, you can still do it.
I'd rather not.
Then you would actually do it.
I'd rather not.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna clean up everything. This salt and the cake mix is all over my paws.
I get it, I'm gonna clean it. But I'm going to get revenge.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I will.
It's impossible to get revenge on me. Aw.
Trust me, I've done it without you knowing.
Oh, really? Well, this is my revenge of you talking back to me. We still have leftover cake mix. That's what you get. Get all the...
It's not. You are just a very mean person.
Well, it's not my fault that you talked back to me. If you didn't talk back to me, you would have got the bottle of this cake. And you wouldn't have to get that cake mix all over your face. Having shame. And we only have 6 minutes to film the rest of this video until the camera dies. And you better go to the bathroom and wash your face right now before you humiliate this whole video. Oh, I can't believe she talked back to me. I would have gave her the rest of this cake because I still have the bottom left, but she just had to talk back.
I can hear you.
I don't care.
Stop being so quiet.
What? How? What? How was I quiet?
It's so easy.
But how was I quiet? I'm literally making so much noise right now. Are you still on the zooming up camera? Yes.
I really do prefer the other one.
Oh my god. Did you just offend me?
Maybe I did.
Oh, I'm going to the bathroom right now and fighting you. No, cameraman, no, you don't want to get fired. Wait, if you're not holding the camera, who is? Wait. If you're there and I'm here and my cousin's in the bathroom, how the heck is the camera switching from side to side? Got me walking side to side. Yeah, been here all night. I've been the wrong day. And now I'm walking from side. You're not Ariana Grande. Ow. Yeah, face the facts. You're not a girl, and you're not Ariana Grande. So, face the facts. Lady, you just crossed me. What do you mean? Oh! Two, one.
I'm getting out of here.
I will kill you next.